We came up with Building Bridges out of a need that we saw to welcome newcomer families onto our campus. We wanted to create a space that not only honored where our families had come from and what their cultures were, but we also wanted to talk to them positively about our expectations and our essential skills that we're teaching on campus. And Building Bridges has really created a space where our teachers and our staff at Anza have come together with our community to support what is most important, which is our students.
Building Bridges is a 5-week program designed for families that are new to the site, where we are really coming together to build a sense of safety with them and a sense of belonging and community with those new families. The program was initially designed for newcomer families, those that are new to the United States. However, we've structured it and built it in a way that it is adaptable to any new family, as it's really just the foundation of building community and belonging. The program has really helped us create a sense of safety with our new families, where they feel comfortable now coming onto campus, participating in our events, and are more just engaged with their child's learning, as well as empowered to participate in that and to be a part of our community.
Nosotros somos nuevos en este país y este programa nos ha ayudado a tener una mejor comunicación con el personal y los maestros de la escuela, y el idioma no es ningún límite. Ahora que tengo mayor comunicación con los maestros, mis hijos se sienten más felices de poder venir aquí a la escuela y le ha dado una mejor seguridad como niño.
Lo que me gusta más de este programa es poder participar en el aprendizaje de mis hijos, porque ver sus padres y sus maestros trabajan juntos y eso ayuda a los niños a crecer mucho más.
So the program has really been able to help us build relationships between families and also between families and the school community. It's been really powerful to partner alongside them to create this environment of safety and belonging for their students so that then they can be successful academically here as well.